already treated her full abdomen and lower back, and now they're getting started on the Brazilian butt lift. Let's go ahead and check in and see how they're doing. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello. How's it going?
Beautifully.
Good. How are you doing, Aaliyah?
I'm doing great.
Good. What areas are we targeting today?
So today we are targeting the full abdomen, lower back, and BBL.
Awesome. What made you choose AirSculpt?
So originally I found a lead on Instagram, and I just was looking at the results and how easy the surgery looked. They basically said there's no pain, which is true because I'm feeling that right now. Also, I mean, I didn't know surgery could honestly be this easy, so I just decided to choose the lead body sculpture.
Awesome. So you're feeling pretty good so far?
Yeah.
Good. How does it feel to be awake during a procedure?
I think that's honestly the best part because I personally don't want to be put under for anything, and to have this option is amazing. I mean, the staff here is really great, and they've kept me comfortable the whole time.
Good. And I know they let you jam out to your own music. What kind of music were you picking to listen to today?
Yeah, so I chose today's hits because I like a wide variety of music, and that's actually been really good, really nice throughout the whole procedure.
Awesome. What is it like watching the fat being removed right before your eyes?
Okay, now that is satisfying. Honestly, I've been working out, and I go to the gym and everything, and I still have these areas that are problematic for me. And so it's really just satisfying to see all of this go. Like, I'm like good riddance.
Yeah, absolutely, and it won't come back.
Yes.
After doing this procedure, would you recommend this to your friends and family?
Not only to my friends and my family, but anyone that's looking, to get rid of those problematic areas. This is definitely the way to go if you've had a hard time in the past, going to the gym, trying to get rid of things and you just can't. This is definitely the way to go.
Awesome. Dr. Rossi, how would you say our patient's doing today?
She's amazing. I mean, this is the model patient. And her results are just crazy right now.
Yeah.
I'm finishing up the first side, and it looks amazing. She tolerated the procedure really well, as our patients do. So I'd say this is like a good day.
Good. What areas have you already done so far?
We've removed fat from her waist. We've removed it from her hips, her upper and lower abdomen, and her low back. Because sculpting is super important. In fact, what is neat is she almost looked like she had a BBL just from the sculpting, because that is one of the things that is the most important, is to be able to sculpt really well, which is a reason why I like doing AirSculpt.
Yeah. How much fat have you taken out from those areas?
We took 1.5 liters, and
Oh, wow.
Aaliyah's itty bitty, so I was really happy.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. What would you say your favorite part about doing the AirSculpt procedure would be?
The sculpting. The reason why is because it's a smaller diameter instrument. It's gentle. It teases the fat away. Allows me to really accurately get in and sculpt into little nooks and crannies that you just can't get to with other equipment. So it's a pleasure to use it.
No, absolutely. So some common questions that a lot of patients ask about the BBL. How much fat survives from the Power BBL?
I would say 2/3 of it survives. So we have, a lot of it does. And sometimes stem cells are left behind, and those will actually stimulate new fat cells.
Oh, okay. Does Ali perform any other kind of injections whatsoever?
As far as injecting,
Like fat?
no,
Okay.
we don't.
Okay.
No.
Awesome. How long after the procedure can you wear tight pants to show off your new hourglass figure?
2 weeks.
Okay.
And the final results take about 6 months, but you can start wearing your normal clothes after a couple weeks of wearing your garment.
Is all the fat removed just from one area and transferred to the bottom?
We remove fat from all the areas, and then we take that fat and we make sure it's we process it minimally to leave it almost untouched, and then it goes into the buttocks.
And then do you guys provide that BBL pillow after the procedure?
Yep, we provide that. You're all set when you leave here.
Okay. So you provide the garment and everything?
Yep.
Awesome. How long do patients have to wear that garment for?
They wear it for 2 weeks.
Okay. And then when doing the BBL, can you achieve like a wider buttock look?
Sure. Yeah,
Okay.
we can. If your body and skin allow it, we can do a lot of really neat sculpting.
Okay. What type of entry points can you expect after having the BBL
Oh,
procedure?
they're little tiny things. Basically, they're 2 millimeters in diameter, which is very tiny, and they turn into little tiny freckles. So just a few.
Very cool. Still doing okay, Aaliyah?
I'm doing great.
Awesome. All right, well, we'll leave you guys to it. Thanks so much
Cool.
for letting us check in on you.
We're ready to start side 2.
Awesome. All right, you can catch us next week for another episode of AirSculpt TV.